invisible affiliate.
I'm an 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 invisible affiliate.
Guys, this weekend has been so power-packed, so epic, so transformational.
One of the things I took away from this event with Mike Williams, well, I don't even want to just say one. I took away several things, but I'm trying to keep it down to three. One is to ask yourself the hard questions, right? Be honest with yourself, and then do the work that is necessary to get yourself to the place that you want to be.
It's actually a powerful event, and I've learned so much to actually take my business to six figures.
I just had the most powerful experience at this event with Mike Williams.
Mike's Invisible Affiliate Mastermind in DC this weekend was totally awesome. We had a great time. He had a lot of value, ton of value, and I learned so much.
I was able to learn so much things from Mike's Williams event. I am so happy to be a part, to be around like-minded people like myself. It's amazing to be in a room where you can learn anything that you want to learn as far as making money online.
Guys, the event was amazing. Full of great content, dynamic speakers, awesome, organized, and I'm definitely looking forward to the next one. So guys, make sure you check out the next event and be at the event.
Get under Mike Williams. Mike is authentic, he cares, and he's knowledgeable.